Hi everyone, welcome back. This is lesson 26. So let's continue learning Amharic. So from our previous lessons, I hope you remember how to say something. የሆነ ነገር የሆነ ነገር. Now try to say good thing. ጥሩ ነገር ጥሩ ነገር. That means something good. Good thing. ጥሩ ነገር. Try to say it's a good thing. ጥሩ ነገር ነው. ጥሩ ነገር ነው. Okay? So learn is መማር. Learn መማር. So learning Amharic is አማርኛ መማር. አማርኛ መማር. So try to say learning Amharic is a very good thing. አማርኛ መማር በጣም ጥሩ ነገር ነው። አማርኛ መማር በጣም ጥሩ ነገር ነው። If you remember, how would you say it takes? We have seen how to say that in the 25C. It takes, he takes. ይወስዳል ይወስዳል. Okay, so how long is ምን ያህል ጊዜ ምን ያህል ጊዜ. How long will it take? Or how much time? How long? ምን ያህል ጊዜ ይወስዳል? Or you could say ስንት ጊዜ ይወስዳል? ምን ያህል ጊዜ ይወስዳል? How long it will take. And ስንት ጊዜ ይወስዳል? How much time it will take. So month is where. Month, where. So try to say from 5 up to 6 months. ከአምስት እስከ 6 ወር. ከአምስት እስከ 6 ወር. Try to say it takes 5 to 6 months. ከአምስት እስከ 6 ወር ይወስዳል. ከአምስት እስከ 6 ወር ይወስዳል. How would you say easy? Easy was ቀላል ቀላል. Difficult, heavy or hard is ከባድ ከባድ. Okay, so try to say it's hard. ከባድ ነው ከባድ ነው. Language is ቋንቋ ቋንቋ. So how would you say Amharic language? አማርኛ ቋንቋ አማርኛ ቋንቋ. So France, the country, the nation is ፈረንሳይ ፈረንሳይ. So try to say French, the language. ፈረንሳይኛ ፈረንሳይኛ. So try to say French language, it is hard or it is difficult, it is heavy. ፈረንሳይኛ ቋንቋ ከባድ ነው ፈረንሳይኛ ቋንቋ ከባድ ነው. And try to say Japanese is easy. Japanese language is easy. ጃፓንኛ ቋንቋ ቀላል ነው ጃፓንኛ ቋንቋ ቀላል ነው. Okay, so we have seen the pattern so far. So you can to man starts with t and ends with like. Okay, so ትወጃለሽ, you like to a woman. ትችያለሽ, you can. Okay, so if you are talking about third person, she. Okay, so she likes, you are talking to someone about somebody else, some woman. Okay, so she can, ትችላለች. It starts with t sound and ends with lech. That is a pattern. Okay, do not confuse it with you to a woman. You to a woman, t and lesh. She is t and lech. Okay, so to a woman, you like, ትወጃለሽ. She likes, ትወዳለች, lech. Okay, you can to a woman, ትችያለሽ, lesh. She can, ትችላለች ትችላለች. So try to say she can Amharic. አማርኛ ትችላለች አማርኛ ትችላለች። how would you say my sister? የኔ እህት so in Amharic yes shows possession so የኔ እህት so my sister she can Amharic meaning my sister can speak Amharic የኔ እህት አማርኛ ትችላለች የኔ እህት አማርኛ ትችላለች so if you are talking about somebody else third person she it starts with t ends with lech what about he it starts with y and ends with al so I think in the early days we have seen how to say he is better or it is better ይሻላል ይ and al ይሻላል okay so try to say he is better adding the pronoun explicitly እሱ ይሻላል እሱ ይሻላል try to say she is better note that the pattern starts with t and ends with lech she is better እሷ ትሻላለች እሷ ትሻላለች he is better እሱ ይሻላል okay she is better እሷ ትሻላለች okay so try to say her house የሷ ቤት የሷ ቤት her Amharic የሷ አማርኛ meaning her proficiency okay so try to say her Amharic is better than mine so from I her Amharic is better ከኔ የሷ አማርኛ ይሻላል ከኔ የሷ አማርኛ ይሻላል she is better than me so from me she is better ከኔ እሷ ትሻላለች ከኔ እሷ ትሻላለች he is better than me ከኔ እሱ ይሻላል ከኔ እሱ ይሻላል I am better than him so from him I am better so I am better starts with a and ends with ለው እችላለሁ እፈልጋለሁ እወዳለሁ that's the pattern a and ለው whenever the pronoun is I so I am better than him ከሱ እኔ እሻላለሁ from him I am better ከሱ እኔ እሻላለሁ I am better than her ከሷ እኔ እሻላለሁ ከእሷ እኔ እሻላለሁ try to say she's in China አሁን ቻይና ነች you are literally saying she is China to say she is in China you could say China ውስጥ ነች ውስጥ in but in most conversation we drop ውስጥ so now she is in China አሁን ቻይና ነች okay now I am in Addis አሁን አዲስ አበባ ነኝ አሁን አዲስ አበባ ነኝ now she is in Nairobi አሁን ናይሮቢ ነች አሁን ናይሮቢ ነች she is ነች how would you say she was ነበረች ነበረች okay so we have seen how to say last right in the previous lesson so last week ባለፈው ሳምንት okay last year ባለፈው አመት so try to say she was in Dubai ዱባይ ነበረች so last week she was in Dubai ባለፈው ሳምንት ዱባይ ነበረች ባለፈው ሳምንት ዱባይ ነበረች okay so try to say she was an artist አርቲስት ነበረች አርቲስት ነበረች now she is a businesswoman use the English term businesswoman አሁን ቢዝነስውማን ነች አሁን ቢዝነስውማን ነች okay how would you say he is ነው ነው። ሶ try to say he is a doctor. ዶክተር ነው ኦር እሱ ዶክተር ነው። mentioning the pronoun explicitly. okay እሱ ዶክተር ነው። how would you say he was? he was is ነበር ነበር። so try to say he was a teacher. አስተማሪ ነበር አስተማሪ ነበር። okay so husband is ባል ባል። okay so she is እሷ so how would you say her? we add yeah in front of it and it's going to be like የሷ። okay so her husband የሷ ባል try to say her husband was a businessman. የሷ ባል ቢዝነስማን ነበር። she was an artist. እሷ አርቲስት ነበረች እሷ አርቲስት ነበረች። he was a businessman. እሱ ቢዝነስማን ነበር። now he is a doctor. አሁን ዶክተር ነው አሁን ዶክተር ነው። okay አሁን ዶክተር ነው። how would you say he is better? ይ and አል the pattern is it starts with ይ and ends with አል። ይሻላል he is better or it is better ይሻላል። now try to say he likes. ይወዳል ይወዳል so try to say he likes Ethiopian food. food of Ethiopia he likes. የኢትዮጵያ ምግብ ይወዳል የኢትዮጵያ ምግብ ይወዳል። try to say her husband likes Ethiopian food. የሷ ባል የኢትዮጵያ ምግብ ይወዳል የሷ ባል የኢትዮጵያ ምግብ ይወዳል። so we have seen the numbers. so 3 is 3 5 is 5 10 is 10 so to say tens or fifths or second or third you add ኛ ድምፅ at the end. okay so ሁለት ሁለተኛ 2 second 3 third ሶስት ሶስተኛ try to say fifths አምስተኛ አምስተኛ so try to say my second house የኔ ሁለተኛ ቤት የኔ ሁለተኛ ቤት my fifth kid my fifth child የኔ አምስተኛ ልጅ የኔ አምስተኛ ልጅ job is ስራ ስራ so try to say my 10th job የኔ አስረኛ ስራ የኔ አስረኛ ስራ okay so try to say my second country is US. የኔ ሁለተኛ አገር አሜሪካ ነው የኔ ሁለተኛ አገር አሜሪካ ነው። how would you say it was Canada? ካናዳ ነበር ካናዳ ነበር so try to say my third country was Canada. የኔ ሶስተኛ አገር ካናዳ ነበር የኔ ሶስተኛን አገር ካናዳ ነበር። how would you say my fifth child? የኔ አምስተኛ ልጅ try to say my fifth son was a doctor. የኔ አምስተኛ ልጅ ዶክተር ነበር የኔ አምስተኛ ልጅ ዶክተር ነበር። try to say my sixth daughter she was a doctor. የኔ አምስተኛ ልጅ ዶክተር ነበረች የኔ አምስተኛ ልጅ ዶክተር ነበረች። try to say my third daughter is a cheerleader. የኔ ሶስተኛ ልጅ cheerleader ነች የኔ ሶስተኛ ልጅ ቺር ሊደር ነች። I have 6 kids. ስድስት ልጅ አለኝ።